Will BTC's recent price surge to over $23,000 lead to a bullish rally? Bitcoin and Ethereum price prediction. The most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, has been increasing and has now surpassed $23,333 for the first time since August 19. It was exhilarating for the cryptocurrency market over the weekend as BTC went through the $23,000 barrier for the first time in 5 months. The second largest digital coin, Ethereum, however, surpassed $1,664.78 for the first time since November 7, 2022. On the other hand, institutional investors' increased holdings in preparation for the upcoming bull run may be the cause of the market's bullish trend. On-chain statistics show that the price of Bitcoin, BTC, has recently risen, which is good news for both short-term and long-term investors. It's also important to note that 97.5% of Bitcoin owners are currently making money in the near term, which is the greatest rate since November. On the other side, long-term Bitcoin owners have profited from the currency. Aside from that, investors were blind to the myriad problems the cryptocurrency sector was facing, most recently the Chapter 11 bankruptcy filing of Genesis Global Holdco LLC. The BTC gains remained untouched as a result. Rogue crypto Bitcoin and Ethereum reached new highs because to the mood. The market for cryptocurrencies has continued to rise, and it is currently flashing green just shy of $1.06 trillion. This came after Bitcoin, the most valuable cryptocurrency in the world, crossed the $23,000 threshold for the first time in 5 months, signaling the beginning of a new era for the cryptocurrency market. But the main forces behind increased BTC demand are institutional investors, who are raising their holdings in preparation for the next bull run. The greatest digital asset in the world, Bitcoin, is in an exceptionally positive frame of mind after increasing by more than 36% this month. Moving on, the impending Fed meeting next month may represent the market's next significant turning point. How the US dollar's decline is causing Bitcoin's price to rise. Another reason boosting the price of the cryptocurrency is the depreciating US dollar. On Tuesday, traders continued to gauge the risk of a US recession and the path of Federal Reserve policy. The broad-based US dollar fell to a 9-month low against the euro and gave back recent gains against the yen. The US dollar index decreased 0.09% to 101.92, edging in on the 7-1/2 month low of 101.51 reached on Wednesday. The index compares the dollar to a basket of 6 competing currencies, including the euro and yen. BTC bulls, both short-term and long-term investors are thriving. According to on-chain statistics, the price of Bitcoin, BTC, has climbed dramatically in recent weeks, resulting in gains for both short and long-term investors. The proportion of Bitcoin owners generating short-term gains reached 97.5% at the time of writing, which is the highest level since November. According to Glassnode, long-term Bitcoin owners have also benefited from Bitcoin. Gemini reduces its workforce to reflect the new economic reality. Gemini, a cryptocurrency exchange, will let go nearly 10% of its whole personnel, a representative for the company said to CNBC on Monday. Gemini has experienced at least 3 rounds of layoffs in less than a year. Gemini had 1,000 employees as of November 2022, according to PitchBook statistics, which suggests that 100 people may have lost their jobs. Gemini reportedly cut its headcount by 7% in July 2022 after cutting it by 10% the month before, according to TechCrunch. Therefore, even if this can be viewed as bad news, the cryptocurrency market hasn't yet been negatively impacted by it. On the other hand, the market for cryptocurrencies will be impacted by the rising number of COVID-19 cases in China. This was therefore seen as a crucial element that might restrict future price increases in the coin. Bitcoin cost. Bitcoin has a 24-hour trading volume of $27 billion and a current value of $23,097. In the past day, Bitcoin has increased by more than 1%. At the moment, coin market cap is the best, with a current market value of $435 billion. Currently, there is significant resistance for Bitcoin around the $23,250 level, with an immediate support level at $22,500. A bearish correction will undoubtedly start if the candles close below the $22,500 level and remain until the $21,500 level is reached. Bitcoin may drop as low as $20,450 if it drops below $21,500. The recent bullish engulfing candle is showing the possibility of a continuation of the bullish trend even if the RSI and MACD indicators are overbought. A break above this level might expose Bitcoin to levels as high as $23,900 and $25,150. The immediate resistance level for Bitcoin is $23,250. Ethereum cost. In the previous day, the price of Ethereum was $1,635 and $8.3 billion worth of transactions were made. At $1,610, the ETH/USD pair has immediate support, and candles closing above this price are likely to cause BTC to rise. ETH is expected to encounter immediate resistance on the upside at $1,675, and a bullish crossover above this level might expose ETH to $1,750. Alternatives to Bitcoin. The top 15 cryptocurrencies for 2023 have been examined by Crypto News Industry Talk. There are many other projects that merit consideration if you're seeking for an investment opportunity with a better potential return. Every week, new altcoins and eco projects are added to the list.